Today on This Old Tent, tent lovers rejoice! We've never taken on tents like these before.
Whoa,
Wow!
these turned out wonderful.
Look at that!
Using the finest repurposed materials and on a foundation set to last a lifetime.
Goodbye hardwood, hello dirt.
We're raising the bar and the canopy.
These will outlast every building on this campus.
What do you do when the stakes are high? Call us. I'm Brennan Smith.
And I'm Bob Gustafson. And you're watching This Old Tent.
Welcome to Hadley, Massachusetts. Nestled between the Mount Holyoke Range and the beautiful Connecticut River, Hadley is home to world-class coffee roasting, homemade ice cream, and asparagus.
Not to mention the only Trader Joe's and Whole Foods in the area.
Yeah, but that's not why we're here, Bob.
Nope.
We are here at the Hartsbrook School, a K-12 Waldorf school that has asked us to change the face of education one tent at a time. Come on.
Now we've erected a lot of tents over the years.
That's right, Bob. From glamorous high-end wedding tents to high-tension cable tents.
For traveling circuses.
Exactly, and well, thanks to you, Bob, way too many yurts.
What can I say? I love me a good yurt.
We all know you do, Bob. But check this out.
So here we are at the height of the global pandemic, and the Hartsbrook School has asked Brennan and I to come help realize their dream, to maintain their academic excellence, to bring their community together, but most importantly, get their kids out of the house and back here in school. Am I right? right.
Isn't that the situation?
Yeah.
I mean, we all know.
Oh, no,
we
no,
all
it's
know about
happening
that.
again. Hold on.
I
Give me a
can't
second.
do it anymore,
Give me a second. It's
Bob.
okay. It's okay.
I can't do
It's
it
okay.
anymore.
Mask on. Mask on. Mask on.
I
Come on,
can't
come on.
do it.
Okay, mask
I've
on.
tried.
Okay,
I've tried
okay,
everything
okay,
I got.
And how did we do it? You guessed it.
Tents.
Let us show you. Whoa.
Wow.
These turned out wonderful.
Look at that.
Whoa. Okay, Brendan, so you're the pole guy. Tell me about these poles.
What we've got here is 8 perimeter poles between 11 and 12 feet apiece and a center pole 20 feet above our heads, huh? That is no standard 4x4. You don't see poles like that every day. Some people use plastic, some people use metal. We went full on cedar. Interesting. That you're looking at right there, Bob, used to be a utility pole.
Man.
This sucker goes 4 feet deep with 12 cubic yards of cement underneath.
Wow.
You may have already noticed, some of these poles are totally straight. Others, not so much. But here, under a Hartsbrook canopy, all poles are welcome. You know, we've talked enough about poles. I get carried away. This tent may not have walls like your yurts, Bob, but what it does have is a canopy. You're the canopy guy, Bob. Tell us about these canopies.
You know, we are always having this argument, right? You know, poles are good, but they're only as good as the canopy that they're holding up. Am I right? They always say that.
I beg to differ, Bob, but proceed.
Well, they do. Anyway, this is not your easy up dining tent top. Oh no. This is a massive 23-foot canvas. It's got over 600 square feet of teaching space below, completely weather and waterproof, Kevlar stitching, stainless steel fixings. Brennan,
Yes.
I'm in love.
We can't top that.
I see what you did there.
Yes, I did.
Anyway, it's time to take off our construction hat and put on our design hat. Come on, I'll show you what I mean. Watch your head.
This way.
Nope, this way.
This design was built on 2 foundations. Number 1, the Waldorf philosophy. And number 2, the earth.
Literally. Goodbye hardwood. Hello, dirt.
That's right. A lot of cost savings right here in this dirt floor.
Yeah, just think of the broom and vacuum budget alone,
It's
right?
all self-cleaning.
Yeah.
It's amazing. So, seriously though, these Waldorf teachers, they've got high standards. They know what good education looks like, and we had to rise to the occasion.
That's right. So we incorporated a circular seating pattern.
Open floor plan.
And you can't beat this view, right?
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, unless you look at that view, actually.
I know.
Now, Bob, this may be my favorite interior design idea I've come up with. You know those boring, old, clunky wooden desks that were hard to move around? Say no more to that. Bucket.
Wow!
Huh? Cubbies. So fixed. So storagey. Bucket.
Buckets.
You want a chair?
Bucket! A table!
Bucket.
I need a place to put up my feet!
Bucket.
I need to get the teacher's attention!
Bucket.
Bucket! I offered them buckets.
Yeah, there's no accounting for taste.
Well, it is just amazing the transformation that has taken place here on this campus.
The heartfelt community that gathered here, and the passion of these teachers, and the commitment to caring for this land has created a transformation that we got to play a role in.
And it will last probably forever.
Pretty much. Yeah. Well, until next week, tent lovers.
On to the next tent. See ya!
Man, Bob, a project of this scope has been on my bucket list for a long time. Hey, what are we gonna do when winter comes?
Have you heard of wool?
Do that. Oh, no, we don't need that. November 2nd, there's a vaccine. You know what these guys could use, Bob?
A yurt.
No. A tent.
Yeah, tent, obviously. But I'm just saying, a yurt. I mean, take that down, put in a yurt.
It would really bring the coop together.
I know, it would be.
You're right.
Yeah.
Better in the winter.
Yeah.
Yurt.
Yeah,
Well, let's
yurt.
go yurt
Okay,
on
yurt.
this
We're
one.
going with yurt. We're going with yurt. Yep, see, they want a yurt. Okay, I'm out of here.
The votes are in.